Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you when you should switch to Cowork mode in Cloud. So as I said, in this video I will show you when you should switch to Cowork mode in Cloud. I will show you the example. So let's say that we have the folder with files that are not really organized and you want to ask AI to basically put the files into separate folders, to rename them, and so on. So if I will ask the normal mode, the chat in the normal mode to do this thing. So let's say I have a folder with mixed files. How should I organize it? Or organize it, and can you do it for me? So I can ask something like this, and what will happen? I would be happy to organize your files. To get started, could you tell me a bit more about your setup? So as you can see, I can actually choose, for example, my computer by type, like this. So we are giving the information. To organize files on your computer, I will need to use the Cloud in Chrome browser extension to access your file system. Could you tell me your full path you would organize to? So for example, this. So once I have a path, I will first I will list the files and move them into organized subfolders by type, images, documents, and videos and audio. So as you can see, by using the normal chat, you have to actually download the extension, provide the path, so it is not really comfortable. So this is the moment when we should switch to Cowork mode. In Cowork mode, as you probably know, because I showed it in other videos, you can connect to a folder from your operating system, and I prepared the folder right there. As you can see, we have a lot of files with weird names and some different extensions. So we have log files, PS1 files, which are of course the PowerShell scripts, and TXT files, and I want to organize them. And by Cowork I can do it very easily. I can just connect the folder, so I will choose a folder from the documents, this Cloud folder. Of course, we have to allow everything to change in files because we simply want to do it. This is the purpose of this video. And now, after this decision, we can do it. So, for example, let's ask the Cowork something like this. So, organize my folder into categories, for example, based maybe on file type, so based on file types, and create folders accordingly, like this, and you will see what will happen. Maybe I will run it and I will show you this Cloud folder. So let's run it and let's see the Cloud folder. So as you can see, starting up, we have the thinking stage, loading tools, running script. I can see 7 files across 3 types. Let me also check for any existing subfolders, then organize everything. Create text files, so it is moving right now. Here you have the progress. Create category folders, move files into their folders. As you can see, we have the folders, so everything is happening automatically. And now it is crossed, so it is finished, and now we are moving files. As you can see, the files disappeared, so this process is also finished. All done. Your folder is now organized into 3 categories. And if I will go into it, as you can see, we have everything Fine. We can also ask model to rename them. So can you rename these files in, for example, clean names with one convention, like this. Again, we can press enter. It should be files, but probably it will be fine, I think. Could you clarify which files you want to rename? So we can clarify, because I made the spelling mistakes, it is asking me which files I want to clarify, so we can give him instructions. So for example, all files, and we can ask, for example, for files with txt extension, name them like this. File 001, file 002, and so on. Now we can wait. It is thinking, and these are running comments. And now if I will go into my folder again, I will open that. As you can see, file.log, file.001, 002 in terms of script. I can of course specify, for example, to name it not file but script.ps1, but it doesn't really matter. And test files, file 001, 002, 003. So everything is working fine in that case. And this is why you should switch, instead of using this chat, to Cowork, because this is really comfortable. That's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.